Okay, this is the first taxi test of the Windrider 737 with Continental colors. We're going to just taxi up the driveway and see how it goes. Tomorrow morning is the Maiden flight, meeting at the field at 9 o'clock, and we'll get some more video then.
Excuse me, sir, could you please repeat the name of the airplane?
It's a Windrider. It's made by Windrider. It's a Boeing 737, and I've decorated it in Continental colors.
AKA Derek's baby.
What?
Derek's baby.
Oh, my baby. Yeah, it took about 9 months to hatch.
Yeah. Well, it can go uphill. What happens about downhill?
No, I'm not going to go downhill. I've got a little bit of slope on the driveway here. So let's just turn her sideways.